Hi guys, BMW Z4 2006. I got some fault codes coming up, and I'm gonna do some diagnostic, and I'm gonna show you how it's gonna work. Okay guys, I got some fault codes. Let's have a look. When I start the car, few icons stays. See airbag and brakes. Some traction control and a flat tire, and I'm gonna use diagnostic software to scan the car. Just stay with me. I'm gonna show you all of this. Okay guys, we got this scanner switch on. Gonna plug the connector. I plug it. What I'm gonna do now, we're gonna do BMW. Okay. BMW, okay. It's gonna take a little bit of time, but I think it's gonna be worth it. Automatic scanning. Let's switch on the ignition. It's gonna get the VIN number. Okay. Let's have a look. Hurry up. Okay, you see we got the VIN number. We've got mileage in kilometers and in miles. E85 Series Z Z4 2.0 injection. Okay, what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna press the scan. Let's place this over there because it's got some lights reflections. Okay, maybe I'm gonna close the roof. Let's close the roof. Okay, now it's better, I think. Okay, now it's better. Okay, we're gonna go do quick test. Let's have a look what's happened. Just gonna test a few systems. Guys, this scanner, if you wanna buy, is gonna be 15% off normal price. I'm gonna put link down below the film in the description. And if you type Motocraft, the name of the channel, and number 15, which is going to be Motocraft 15, you're going to have 15% off the price. If you want a scanner like this, you can have it, you can buy. It's not expensive. It's okay. You see we got some valvotronic problem, TSC, and what does the error in the steering wheel as well. And the worst thing is the ACSM is the what is called internal error in the system, which is going to be hard to find what's going on with this. We need some time to spend it. Let's clean the codes. We'll see if any gonna be cleaned. Switch off the ignition for 10 seconds. Switch on. Press OK. And report what we've got. We've got report, you see, very nice. We got 2, 4, 5, 6 problems. It's all in Polish language. You can switch on any language, but I use Polish because I'm in Poland. But yeah, I just want to present you already this thing. Then you can buy. Okay, let's check if any of the icon disappears. They're still there. See, airbag, some brakes. This is handbrake. This is normal. Traction control. I suspect some airbag modules, but we see. Need to be double checked. Maybe some water inside or something, but I don't think so because I keep this car in the garage and not using it in the rain. Anyway, let's finish this diagnostic thing. We're gonna end up the diagnostic and everything is done. We got some more things to reset. We can reset the brakes, oil, we can reset the steering wheel, we can reset the battery, we can bleed the brakes, we can reset the throttle body and DPF regeneration. So far it's quite good machine. I think it's alright for this money. I think anybody can be happy if you buy it. And like I'm saying, it's 15% off of the price. I'm gonna put link below this film. You have to just type it Motocraft 15, Motocraft 15, name of this channel, and then you can have it. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I'm gonna post more video in the future about that BMW Z4 if I'm gonna attempt to repair anything. So far I've done this scanner presentation, and before I did the film video with the opening groove with the pump. If somebody didn't see this, you can check the film before. Relocate the roof pump over there behind the seat, but this was in before video. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.